I can't wait.
Side.
That's no big deal.
Rugby.
Sore hand. What's up, man?
What's up, Dad?
Really? Is that why his eyes are
Rugby.
Look at that. Under 5. Look at that.
We don't want either of you guys off, you know?
Yeah, you guys are both a part of the YT.
Yeah, I don't think I was... Nice.
Rugby.
I think I'm going to start the medics coming in to get you. Like if your family would have found that amputee, I'd be totally screwed about it, you know? They got some like, cheap power tools there. You got to be careful with them a little. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I think they want to know what's new with you, man.
You know,
Out of it, so like I tripped it up. It's pretty archaic. Dirty Mouse.
I didn't know like you guys like kind of knew each other on Facebook and shit. Nice.
Rugby.
One. Yeah. So you can email me, I guess.
Rugby.
Awesome, dude. Oh.
Nice.
Dude, I watched our
I watched the new channel. That limey bastard. Shout out to Huffy72. Despite being a mask guy, and everybody that's out of there.
Update on Tommy2Drunk.
Oh, what's up?